My first ever bag of crap. Let's see what we get. Oh, what do we got, Zorro? Let's check it out. We get a bag of crap. And what is this? Ooh, this actually looks pretty nice. What do we got here? Looks like some denim shirts, maybe. And I got my Super Woot monkey. And, oh, he likes that one. Yeah, oh, Zorro just took my monkey. Okay, and it looks like a yellow t-shirt, okay. And then we got Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them Magical Movie Handbook. And a standard hex key set. Wow, this bag of loot here. Looks like a dog leash. Nice. 2 dog leashes. There goes the monkey. The screaming monkey. That's hilarious. Some red sock earrings. And looks like a really bad sweater shirt. That's awesome. And whoa, so much crap. I love it. What is this? A purple poo emoji pillow with a crown. Gotta love that. And looks like a dual phone charger for a phone that I don't have. And another one. And a Woot pen. And last but not least, can't read it, the print is too small. Let's just rip it open. Oh, it's a power supply with 2 different tips for probably an item that I don't have. So not too bad for my first bag of crap. I'm pretty happy with it. Actually very disappointed in it.